Hi everybody. I know I don't make these vlog style video updates very often, and quite frankly it's because I don't think I need to. Nothing is ever really happening with these cars. I'm just driving them and maintaining them and making how-to videos of whatever I fix. That being said, I've got some major work lined up for the Jetta. I bought some new fenders to be sprayed. I'm getting the rockers repaired, and I'm going to talk to the body shop about repairing the hatch when I drop it off in a couple days. I'm really excited about this because it's really the only major thing wrong with the car that I can't fix. Mechanically, the car is sound. I mean, you've seen all the DIY videos that I keep posting of everything that I fix, but I can't do metal work. I can't weld. I can paint okay, but if I can't weld, then there's no point in me saving money to paint the car. So I'm gonna hand it over to the professionals and let them do it. I actually went with OEM fenders directly from Volkswagen because they were having a 20% off sale and it's free shipping to a dealership. So even if you look at aftermarket fenders or OEM fenders from a different website that might be a little cheaper, paying for that freight shipping completely blows the cost out of the water. I'm sure some people are wondering why I didn't buy used fenders and have them resprayed, but being in a snow state, you just can't find a clean fender. If you do find fenders from a southern or west coast state, no one wants to ship them. Private party or a junkyard, they just don't want to be bothered. Even if you can find someone to ship them, it's still freight shipping, so it's still the same price. So you might as well just get new fenders, free shipping, pay the extra cost to have a nice clean slate, get them sprayed, and you know that they're solid. When I got the quote, I asked the body shop what work I could do on my end, and they didn't mind if I removed the old fenders, delivered them the new fenders, and then they would just put the new fenders back in the box, and I could install them myself. I'm not sure how much money this saves me in the end, but seeing as the fenders going on and off require the wheel well liners and the front bumper to be removed, it's probably a few $100. It's something I'm happy to save to do myself. I did end up reinstalling the front bumper just so that they could have it as paint reference. I'm not getting the whole car painted, I'm just getting the fenders and the rockers done, so they're going to blend everything else in, and I wanted them to be able to have as many surfaces as possible to look at. Surprisingly enough, the bumper is okay not being bolted to the fenders. I didn't get on the highway with it, probably kept it under 50 miles an hour, but it's not like you could visibly see it flapping in the breeze and it didn't come flying off the car, so I call that a win. One little cool detail is that the guy that owns the shop actually used to work for Volkswagen, so he's really familiar with the rust repair, the car, things like that. It just gave me a little extra confidence that this job will be done right. With everything off and out of the way, I just wanted to give you a shot of what's being repaired. Honestly, it's no surprise to any Mark IV owner, especially if they're in a snow state. Stuff just gets packed back there, moisture, all the debris behind the wheel well liner, and it just rots from the inside out. For whatever reason, the passenger side rocker is a little bit better than the driver's side. It's even still got that mounting tab there. I'm not sure how this happened, but in any event, they're both getting replaced. The shop said that once they start working on the car, they're going to send over some photo updates. If you're interested in those updates, head over to my Instagram. I'm not going to post a video of photos here. I'll just post a video when I get the car back at the end. So thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little different. Stay tuned for the video when I get the car back. And as always, I'll be dropping more how-tos. Thanks, everybody.